Alright, people have bug out bags. This is a protest bag. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's take a look. All the stuff you can get at thrift stores and Harbor Freight. I would rather go into a protest on a bicycle than a car. That way I don't worry about a license plate or a car catching fire. And you're kind of more incognito with a little black backpack, helmet because you're bicycling, and a mask and such. It'll be easy infill on exfil. What I did was I just spray painted the logos darker, so I'm not a target. The theory is, or my principle is, have 2 of everything. That way you can give it to people who didn't come prepared or just didn't think of it. Speaking of which, first thing I hand out would be one of these. Just a Harbor Freight gas mask, slingshot, some gloves, and some eye protection. Just a regular $3 thrift store helmet. I like skateboarding, but works for bicycling and other things. Try to keep the pack light. Try to keep it under 12 pounds. I got a flashlight. I don't have 2 of those. Maybe I can come up with 2. I got a laser on order, but not to shine at any police, just to shine at misspellings on protest signs. That way it's faster for them to fix their misspellings there. This would be my pack. Another Harbor Freight gas mask, safety glasses, gloves. I need some food out there, so some snacks and some energy drink additives, electrolytes and such. Masks, have a whole bunch, hand them out. Gloves for me, I got extra pair of socks, shirt, my slingshot, tape, extra glasses to hand out, extra gloves to hand out, water, towel. What else we got? I don't advise bringing your phone unless you have to. If you do have to, change your unlocking method from facial recognition to typing in a code. It's harder for them to access it legally. Your phone. What to wear? Wear something comfortable, baggy, in layers. They're using rubber bullets now, and that won't stop it, but the pepper balls and stuff, that will make it less painful. A little first aid kit. I'll probably transfer all this into a plastic bag because I don't like the edges on that. The extra weight. I would wear sneakers instead of boots, just because more mobility. Water. Some fireworks. Light it and enjoy it. Alright, if I missed anything, feel free to put a comment. Probably did. I was going to go the old Army gear route and hit the Army-Navy store, but I don't want to be that kind of target. I want to just look as normal as possible, not stand out too much, while still doing what I got to do. And that's about it. Be careful out there, and I'm sure in the next couple of years there's going to be a lot of protests. A lot is going on. So, alright. Thanks for watching. Hit that like. Be careful out there.